Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So before I went to America, I had to take my NanoVNA apart because I managed to spill coffee on the screen. I was a bit concerned that coffee had got inside it. Fortunately, it hasn't because of the very small amount of coffee. Screen's now cleaned up, so I'm now going to put it back together without losing any of the screws. So, here goes. There we go, all assembled, ready to begin again. I was also a bit worried it wasn't going to work after being left in a very delicate state for the time it's been left in. The fact that it was a few days before I went to America when I took it apart, and then been out in America for 10 days, and obviously the extra two days since I've come back, so it's all good to go. Ready to check antennas once again. So 7.3 for now, and I'll catch you in next video very soon, once I get back into the routine.